Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another update on Dogecoin because, well, it's turning into a bit of a daily update right now, but it was necessary, all right? Because, and we talked about this yesterday, but yesterday after we made the video, Dogecoin actually did stay quite bullish, all right? And slowly but surely, we actually did get the bullish breakout we talked about yesterday. So that's enough reason to do an update, I think, on Dogecoin. And apart from that, there's some other interesting things as well. Unfortunately, right now, Bitcoin is not performing the best, and ultimately, I do think even though there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Dogecoin right now, and we'll look into those in a moment. But ultimately, if Bitcoin really drops back down below 65,000 here, so it does this. Is it actually loading? So it does something like this, then I don't see Dogecoin rallying, all right? Even though, and that's the main thing why I am bullish on Dogecoin, is we broke above a significant resistance level. Here at 15.5 and 16 cents, purely technically it's the 382 fib. It's also, you can see technically that it's a very respected level. So breaking above that, and I'm going to make it even prettier for you, breaking above that with momentum, which we also did right here, while I delete this drawing, if I may, please. Yeah, so what we also did is we gained a lot of momentum. So we broke out with momentum. The only thing that's missing here is a bullish Bitcoin. Like if Bitcoin was strong here, I would buy Dogecoin in an instant. Right now, I'm a bit hesitant. All right, I'm also in a few other positions that are reliant to a certain extent on Bitcoin. And it's not looking like I would have expected that if we broke above this with momentum, we would be up at 17 and 17.5 and 18 cents before you knew it. So that's why I'm a little bit hesitant here, but purely technically, all right? So if we just look at the technicals right here, and you look at the open interest here, it's quite logical that we might need to get a bit of a pullback also with the open interest right here, and it's very cool, obviously, but it's very the same with the price. We broke above a level, we're retesting it, we're regaining some momentum there, and then we rally up higher. So I do think, because the technicals are so strong and the technicals are so convincing, I do think it's most likely that Dogecoin will perhaps drop back down to like 15.5 cents, spike down there. But ultimately, I do think it's most likely we will rally up to 17.5, excuse me, and 18 cents. And if we also have momentum, then we can rally as high as 19.5 and 20 cents easily as well. But it depends a lot on Bitcoin. I think the only way, I think 17.5 and 18 cents is possible when Bitcoin just is flat. But if Bitcoin is flat, I don't think we can break above that. I don't think we can get to 20 cents. So then the potential is already limited. And I'll make it even worse in to a certain extent. If Bitcoin here falls down below 65,000, I expect it technically to start dropping down lower. And if Bitcoin really starts dropping here, I don't think Dogecoin is going to hold 15.5 cents. I think that this could then turn into a fake out. We get a bearish breakout and we start rallying back down to 13.5 and 13 cents again. Unfortunately, but that's definitely possible if Bitcoin doesn't turn bullish right now. So I think Dogecoin has potential. I think technically it looks great. But unfortunately, I think the main thing you have to watch is Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin actually find that bullish momentum? If yes, great. Dogecoin already looks good. It's most likely it will rally up higher. If Bitcoin doesn't find that, and if Bitcoin finds a bearish breakout, back down to a consolidation it is. So keep your eyes open, monitor Bitcoin. And for now, I do think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Have a great weekend in advance, and bye.